Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. Morning. Thursday morning. That was scary. That was scary. Yep. Stretchy. Guys, what time is it? That was terrible. Alice is looking at me going, what the fuck? Yes, I'm going to Romford today to sell this because I don't play it. Thank you, Tyler. I don't know, I'll just have it. I don't have you left any games for it, so I may just use it for Netflix. I tried to use Twitch streaming, but not for me. Yeah, going to Vit. Gonna get dressed in a minute. Then gonna get the other two and this one to go. Come on, Teddy!
People can have heart attacks. You could kill someone, you know. How do you feel if you put me in hospital?
So just got back from shopping. I bought cereal and orange juice because I love orange juice. It's so good. It's nice, and I haven't had this in ages, so I just got this instead. How do you do enough milk? It's all good. It's milk there, and there, and there. Because I recommended this milk. Excellent. But I'm gonna have cereal and watch Black Butler. Find a bowl. So you're a bit of a dickhead, aren't you? Aren't you? Hmm?
I'll slap the camera out your face.
Right. Basically, he says a bit of a dickhead. Had my phone in my hand, Snapchatting. It's like, don't record me, blah 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 blah.
Slap.
And slaps my phone out my hand. That's what happens. Look at it. It's broken. Look at it. You, yeah, don't be using your child to be all cute and shit. You broke my phone. Look at it. My poor phone. My poor phone. Oh. It's, hang on, I should send you.
Hey, stop eating the big.
Doing? Checking if someone's in. Yeah, because that's not as weird as knocking on the door in the bloody first place. Yeah, but you never know who might be inside. Yeah, well, no matter who lives here, no matter how many...
There we go. You are now on my vlog. Sammy Gray. Top notch. So how's it feel knowing that Giselle is in London and you are here? Are you recording him?
Someone's sleepy.
You guys should all subscribe to Luke and James Play. these guys are hilarious. Met them at Comic Con, and legit, they are funny. Yes?
Yes. They're banging. Stop.
But yes, ouch, I'm gonna go. Still working on writing that letter. That's the letter and that's the reply. Mine's currently 2 pages because it's double-sided because I am 6 months. Are you bored?
Nope. Just scrolling through on my Facebook.
Get right. This is the debate. Should Sarah get Twitter? I think you should, so people can talk to you. I have Twitter. People can talk to me in there because everything is in the description below. That's cool. Look at the size of those nipples, though. Holy shit. Get Twitter. Get Twitter. Get Twitter. Get Twitter. Whoosh.
And me, making the coffee. I had this coffee pot. It was probably 50
At the moment,
years old
I'm
at that
watching
time.
2.5.
And it made truly
But
terrible coffee.
fuck's sake, now you got me saying it.
Shocking.
How I Met Your Mother.
Plug in. Say it again.
That knobhead.
I loved every last detail
Yeah.
of that place, right down to the incredibly tacky swords we hung on the wall. I never wanted
Just
anything
chilling.
to change. But that's not how life
My
works.
pajamas.
You guys will never believe what just happened to us. I don't even believe it myself. We were in
Sweet.
Queens and we decided to stop by my apartment.